Hey guys, welcome to my cooking channel, and today I'm going to share another red lentil recipe with you. So for this dish we need red lentil. So here I have taken half cup of red lentil, and in this dish we are also going to add one special ingredient. This is called kasuri methi. You can get this in any Indian store, and this is also called dry fenugreek leaves. So this has slightly bitter taste, so you have to be very careful how much you are adding this into your dish. And in addition to that, we are also going to add finely chopped onions. So I have taken only half onion, and into this we are also going to add finely chopped 2 cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and these are optional. You can also add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or chili powder as per your taste. So let's get started, guys. So here in a pan I have taken this red lentil, and I washed this red lentil until the water becomes clear, and then I have added 2 cups of water into this. And now into lentils I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and then mix it nicely. And then I'm going to let this cook for another 5 minutes with the lid on. So let's come after 5 minutes and check on the lentil. So this is 5 minutes now, and lentil is almost cooked here, and I'm going to give another couple of minutes. And you always have to make sure that you in between you also check on the lentil and give some stir. So lentil has now cooked, and I'm going to keep the lentil aside, and in between I also added a little bit of more water. And there is no perfect measurement of water or salt. You can add as per your taste. So there is nothing wrong in adding more water or adding more spices or seasoning as per your taste. So now here I have taken a small saucepan, and in this I have also added 1 tablespoon of oil. And I forgot to mention this earlier, but into this we are also going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and into this I'm going to add our finely chopped garlic as well as chili flakes, let this at least cook for 30 seconds or something. Into this we are now going to add onions, we will let this cook for a minute or so. And now into this I'm going to add half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves, and like I said, this is completely optional because we are already adding chili flakes, so you don't really need to add chili powder or not even coriander powder. It is completely optional. And now Into this, finally we are going to add fenugreek leaves. So I have almost taken 15 to 20 gram of fenugreek leaves. And then we are just going to mix this with other spices well, and then this mixture is now ready to add into our lentil. So now here is our lentil, and into this lentil I'm going to add our mixture which we prepared with fenugreek leaves, onions, garlic and chili flakes. So you add everything and then you are going to give a really good mix. And if you feel this is thick, then you can also add some water. And here guys, the lentil, red lentil with fenugreek leaves are now ready to serve. So here guys, this is the red lentil soup with fenugreek leaves, and it is very easy to cook. It only took me 15 minutes to cook. So please try this recipe. You will really like it. And let me know in the comment section how you feel about the recipe, and if you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.